What are you doing, buddy? Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We're doing this or what?
Empty bottles on the floorboard, smoke rolling out the window, fog in my mind. I'm praying to the good Lord, take it easy on my soul, I need a little more time. I sure hope the gates of heaven still open up for a rundown sinner like me. And I pray my name is written in that book of life, Lord, for the life of me. This back road's been keeping me sane. I got a Bible on the dash and smoke in my brain. Blame it on my family, on my bloodline. Better pull myself together, I'm running out of time. I don't know where I'm going. I'm right at home, but I feel so far away. These wheels they keep rolling down the wide road, looking for the narrow way. These back roads been keeping me sane. I got a Bible on the dash and smoke in my brain. Blame it on my family, on my bloodline. Better pull myself together, I'm running out of time. These back roads been keeping me sane. I got a Bible on the dash and smoke in my brain. Blame it on my family, on my bloodline. Better pull myself together, I'm running out of time. The Lord's gonna come like a thief in the night. I hear him knocking on the door, don't leave me behind.
Wyatt's first trip to Honey Run.
What do you think, buddy? It's a waterfall. Your first waterfall? That's not his first one. He's been to Hawking.
Yeah.
This ice
Yeah.
we're standing on.
No. No, this is the bank.
He took a big old poop right before put him in that. It was almost bath-worthy.
You can tell me the Lowe's item number if you have it, or just give me a description. For example, I'm looking for a cordless drill with a charger, or calling about a Craftsman circular saw.
Hello. Well,
Today we are going to lower my Supra down off the lift, and we're going to pull off the head to assess what damage Billy has caused while cold starting my Supra in the Ohio winter. It's nice. I brought my AirPods so I can listen to my own music.
nice.
And no one's here to play.
All right. Go ahead and take your exhaust off.
That's so nice. We got a table or something all this on.
like with this cart, or put everything on a cart.
Yeah, that'd be nice. I'm gonna set it down here. Yeah, because I bent that.
No, it's already been.
Wow. Leverage. There we go. Turn my button back on.
That's your wideband sensor.
That's the right way?
Yep.
It is, yeah.
A lot of times those lock nuts fuck up the threads after so many times on and off. So,
You can't spray the WD-40 on there?
I'm afraid it won't get any better. Should be able to get to a point where you can use the electric. Oh, it's tradition. Please do it, so I don't have to. Pipe. So right here, it's got this quick disconnects. You push this button in and pull that out. There you go, don't lose it. And you lost it. Have to break it loose with your hand first. Damn, there's the nut. Back to the wall pan.
That will.
It lubricates the turbo.
Yeah.
So it's very good.
Okay. Next.
So just wiggle it off the stud.
I'm scared.
Just firmly grasp it.
Oh man. Whoa, that's heavy. Gosh, the ones underneath, how do you get those? There we go. Bring some detail back.
Just gotta slap it. Just gotta slap it off. See the technique?
So I tap to focus on you and then I drag the brightness down a little. Brings a lot of the detail back. Also your headlamp is just like,
Washing it out.
yeah, overexposure to the max. I see what you did there. A lot simpler than a V8.
Honestly, it's pretty simple. Depends on what V8.
Whoa,
I mean,
what is this guy? What is all that? Until I look over here.
that's
What?
your intake manifold.
That's insane. It said the intake fan on top is...
Yeah, the intake's on that side, exhaust is on this side.
Technique.
Yeah, double finger it there.
Technique.
Just two hands. This is a nice header. The welds are really nice.
So wild how this DJI just plugs into the side of your phone.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It literally takes like hardly any setup time either. You just plug it in and go.
I thought I was gonna have to download like the DJI app.
Nope, that's why I love those so much. on, man. I could have had that out by now. There. Ow. Hit me right in the tooth. Alright, we should be able to just slide our timing belt off. And that's gonna be exhaust. That one's already labeled, but we'll go ahead and label it again. Okay. Time to pull the camshafts. That's the one that dropped right there. It's lower than all the other ones. See if I can get a magnet and pull that out. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this. What happened, man? Here it is. We have a two-piece valve spring. Broke right there. And right there. So that broke. Relieved the tension off of the valve. Keepers said, I'm gone. Retainer couldn't retain no more. And the valve said, hey, piston, what's up?
Little help.
Well, you're getting tired. My mom's getting tired. You can call it a night.
Yeah. Your mom messaged you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to get a little bit more done so that we can just pull the head off tomorrow morning. All right, so we are back. Day 2. We're going to go ahead and start taking this fuel rail off, taking the intake off, the charge pipe, obviously. And then that way we can start taking this head off. Also going to take this tensioner off, and a couple of the water lines that are still connected to the head. But other than that, we should be in pretty good shape. Hopefully we'll be able to get that head off with that exhaust manifold just hanging there. So, yep, we're going to go ahead and start taking these fuel lines off. good that there's still fuel in the rail, because when those injectors dry out, that's when you start having big problems. And this thing's been sitting for a month or two now, so I'm kind of worried about it. But we'll flow all those injectors, test them. Okay, we got 2 Allen heads that hold that on. Looks like 5/16. Yeah, you gotta be. You're not messing it up. Why don't you throw a mic on and come help me?
What usually happens is I come help.
And just like that.
Yeah. Where do I grab onto?
Anywhere you can. Got it.
And you both got it. I had to been like 45 pounds.
That's aluminum head.
What are you looking at?
Ouch.
Oh God.
Ouch. We're going to end this video with that. We're going to think about our options and take the head to Bob, see how bad he thinks it is. And I'll show him the pictures of the piston. I'm sure he's going to probably say pull it out, but we'll weigh our options and see what's available. That's going to do it for this video, guys. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.
Don't press on because I said fail. I'm not going to